guy's got to stop now. That wasn't a stop. No stop either. That wasn't a stop either. Pac-Man, na 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 na. Oh, hello! Yeah, I changed lanes at the last second, but I mean, still you gotta look, lady, for fuck's sake. I can get out of my trunk, thank you. Had enough closeness to do today. Straight from the turn lane. Don't hit me? Thank you. Get off my ass! Back the fuck off! Vermont, go back there. Stay there. Step for turn. Get out of my fucking trunk, you witch. Now I'm just staying in this lane out of spite. Back off! Way to trash. Why'd you get into the left lane? Because the left lane's about to end. Are you fucking retarded? Now I'm raging. Hooray! And then exit dives. Okay. You're a fucktard! Late tailgating. I think you're tailgating. Is this tailgate? Yeah, I'd say you're tailgating. That's less than a car length. That's definitely tailgating. Oh, Jesus. Yep. Get the fuck out of that lane, you asshole. What's next dive? Why did I do this? I don't fucking know. start. Nope. Nope. Fuck you, I'm not in the fucking mood. And go fuck yourself. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. He's not letting me either. I don't care what I just did. Fuck them all. I'm following too close, so you better not fucking cut me off. I'm not in the fucking mood. Not in the fucking mood. Yep. 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 Yeah, you woke the fuck up, you little shit. Here, cut off the truck, too. You're an asshole. You're all assholes today. My blood be boiling. Yeah. Oh, there was a cut off by the big rig, yeah. Nope. Is that a cut off? What the hell is that for? Don't run the red. Don't run the red. Oh, you fucking scumbag. Rage Rover. Okay, stay in your lane, stay in your lane, stay in your lane, stay in your lane. Very short departure, I'm telling you. So next time, next time. Stop! As long as there's a truck blocking your view. Yeah, you just ran the red, that's for sure.